Hello, pre-calculus. So some students have reached out about one of the particular problems on DeltaMath about plotting points to graph log functions. So I'm going to attempt to make a series of videos talking about the different techniques that you guys can use to graph these log functions. So the first one I'm going to do is transformation approach. So to do the transformation approach, the first thing that we're going to do is just make a small table of values for y equals log base 2 of x. And just like we did in class, if you need to, you can rewrite that exponentially. If you need a little help, it's a little easier to make the table this way. So 2 to the y equals x. So we'll choose some of those nice points. You can see from the problem on the left that we need 4 points. I have seen some of these problems that ask for 5 points. So let's take a look at some nice ones. 0, 1, 2. We maybe want to go to 3. We probably don't want to go too much this way. You'll see why in a second there. So if we input the 0, anything to the 0 power equals 1, 2 to the first equals 2, 2 squared equals 4, and 2 to the third equals 8. So now we're going to apply the transformation. So I'm going to list the transformations out. We have a vertical stretch by 2. We have a horizontal shift left 5. And we have a vertical shift down 2. And so I'm going to rewrite the table this way. So 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, and then each of those points will get transformed, and then fingers crossed we'll have a successful graph. So let's check it out. So if we take 1, 0, and let's see here. Actually, I'm gonna do something that we haven't done in a while. Let's see if I can remember. This is chapter 1 now we're talking. Let's see here. So the horizontal shift left, so it's going to take a second now, but I think it'll be well worth it. Make this faster. So, I know what I'll do. Here we go, guys. So let me switch colors here. So x, y, here's what we're going to do. All right, so horizontal shift left 5. So we're going to take every x value minus 5. Well, let's just do that right now. -4, -3, -1, 3. Wish you guys were here in class with me and we could shout out. You guys could shout out if I make a mistake. But just flying on my own here, see what happens. All right, let's go, I guess, red. So now we're going to double the y value because that's the stretch, and then we're going to go down 2. So let's try that. So double 0 is 0, down 2. Double the 1 is 2, down 2. Double the 2 is 4, down 2. Double the 3 is 6, and then down 2. So, all right. I'm going to admit I might be nervous because let's hypothetically say this is the 4th video I've attempted making today. All right, I made silly mistakes on 1, and they were just way too picky with my graph on 1, even though I had all the points correct. So here we go. All right, -4, -2. And if you make a mistake, you just tap it again, it disappears. All right, -3, 0. -1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we see our log graph shape. Does have a vertical stretch. One more thing I'm going to point out is the x plus 5. I never wrote the equation. The x plus 5 in that given equation, just remember that whatever's inside there is going to lead us to the vertical asymptote. So whatever number makes that 0 is going to be the vertical asymptote. So when we go to sketch this graph, we want to make sure we stay off of that vertical asymptote. All right, so I plotted 4 points. I'm going to press done. Now it says I have to draw the function, and this is where it gets a little weird. It doesn't always pick up right where I touch my stylus down. But again, we want to get close to that -5, but we want to stay away from it. Now the last one marked me wrong because it said I didn't get close enough, I didn't go far enough. And if I go far enough, all right, so, all right, I did that, and I'm gonna hit submit. My track record today has not been stellar. Let's find out. And there we go, everybody. Got one wrong. That's adorable. Let's find out what's wrong. Parts of my graph are missing. Okay, so I just didn't go far enough along the asymptote. Everything is perfect except I didn't go far enough on the graph. But everything else is fine. You guys saw how to plot the points with transformations. I'm going to make some other videos using different techniques. So good luck with your asymptotes. I hope it goes better than mine. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.